Though it is mandatory to wear rear seat belts, 70% Indians don't. Most people think rear seat belts are either not compulsory or it is safe to sit behind. Former Tata Sons chairman Cyrus Mistry and his co-rear passenger Jahangir Pandole, former director of the London office of KPMG, both died since they were not wearing seat belts. Most people think rear seat belts are either not compulsory or it is safe to sit behind. World Health Organization says that the use of rear seat belts prevents fatalities by 25%. Airbags are designed to prevent buckled passengers, not unbuckled ones.
Goacan has put forward a proposal for a 1 month immediate campaign on the use of rear seat belts. The idea being not because that there's going to be the notification of the law, but it's just to test out what is the acceptance of this concept of using the seat belt, and to find out whether people feel that they will be safe by using the seat belt or not. And we feel that unless this campaign is done together with civil society members by the traffic police and Directorate of Transport officials, this process will not go forward, because people think that it's all about fines, and as it has been shown that whenever the fines are charged, people follow the rule. The moment the fines are stopped, they are back to their old practices. So
सायरस मिस्त्रीच्या पहिला
सीट बेल्ट कंपल्सरी आसाच, पूण तो एक्टांत ना, पूण हरशी कंपल्सरी आसा म्हणूनच तेच फाटल्यान सीट बेल्ट दिल्ले आसा. ना जाल्यार फाटल्यान गाडयेन सीट बेल्ट आतां म्हजे सुद्दां ह्या गाडये फाटल्यान सीट बेल्ट आसा.
सो मॅन्डेटरी जावपाक जाय
आपले शेवट हो एक्सिडेंट जो जाता तो स्वताच्या चुकी लागून जाता. प्रत्येकान समजुपाक जाय की आपूण ही चूक सुदारपाची काय कितें. जो पर्यंत स्वता मनीस सुदारना तो पर्यंत ह्यो गोश्टी स्टॉप जावंक शकता.
जो पळय गाडी चलयता, द ड्रायव्हर ऑफ द व्हेकल एज वेल एज द पॅसेंजर हॅज टू कंपल्सरीली वेअर अ सीट बेल्ट एज पर सेक्शन 194B ऑफ द न्यू MV एक्ट. जर तर ताणें सीट बेल्ट घालूना, म्हणजे जो गाडी चलयता ताणें घालूना, किंवा जो पळय फाटल्यान बसला पॅसेंजर जो पळय आसा ताणें जर तर घालूना, देन इज लायबल फॉर पनिशमेंट, अँड वी वील कम डावन व्हेरी हेविली ऑन दॅट.
Is planning to start compliance or booking cases for rear passengers?
Booking cases has already started. Already instructions have gone out to the officers that we should start booking cases on them. See, accidents in the states have increased. There are various reasons for that. License is easily available matter. Second thing is, if you see the road engineering, it is not up to that standard which it should have been. सो आनी सायनेजीसूय सारके ना, प्रॉपर ना. त्या भायर आतां जे पळय व्हडले जे पळय मॉल्स येता, हे येता, तांकां सफिशंट पार्किंग स्पेसूय ना. सो देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ स्पील ओवर ऑफ द ट्रॅफिक ऑन द रोड. सो ऑल दीस फॅक्टर्स कंबायन टुगेदर एंड देन द रोड एक्सिडेंट्स इन द एरिया टेक प्लेस.
Deven Gaonkar for Herald TV.